Hello guys, this is a tutorial for a Tekkit and how to make locked doors that you can open using remotes, which is cool. I don't really know how that spawned like that, but if you just head over here, you can see this, and go into my inventory. As you see, you can do that, and now I will show you how to do it. So right now this looks like some random jumble of wires. Well, I will show you how to do it and hopefully make it so you can actually kind of see what this does. First I have to start out with the crafting recipes. You also have backpack from Dora. Backpack. So what I used here was a NOT gate, invert cell, a null cell, a toggle latch, a wireless receiver, red alloy wire, and a remote. And that's the main items that I use. Just make sure no zombies come after me. So, alright, I forgot. And your remote. So I'm just quickly skim through crafting recipes. See? It's quite complicated crafting recipes and it takes a lot of crafting. But pretty much what this does is, what I have right here, is this right here will make it so you need to make this turn off. So you see, if you right click with the remotes, well, also one thing I forgot to go through is that to have a wireless receiver hook up to a remote, it has to be the same frequency. If you right click this, you can see frequency is 110, and if you shift click on a remote, you see it's 110. And this one I have 4652, which that is the code I put at this, so people who I know can find my videos faster and easier. So then I can't jump at it. So, and then when this turns off, once you activate, so when the redstone or red alloy wire turns off, it makes the pistons open, which you don't need this, but I set up. So it's green light when it's open and it's red light when it's closed. And so you just have to have red alloy wire over top of the piston and also underneath it. So yeah, if you on multiplayer, if you want to protect your house, you can use this. So you can make it so you need the frequency to code. See, it's a red light, green light. thank you for watching this short tutorial. I hope it made a difference on knowing what you can do with Tekkit. And I will see you guys later. Goodbye.